Hey guys, this is Tyler, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust a sliding glass door lock, because this one somehow has broken, so it's not latching on like it should. Let me give you a close-up shot here. Alright, so here's the latch. You should be able to lock it up and it actually latch on. But what happens, so when you latch it up, it has this hook that should be hooking on to here and catch, but it's not. It's actually slightly below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower this entire latch down about ½ inch, maybe a little bit less. So this screw is going to stay in place, but it's going to slide down, and this screw is going to come here, and this is going to slide down. I have two plastic, it's like a plastic shim underneath here, so that it has this gap, and so those I'm going to try to keep in place. First, get these unscrewed. So these are about 2 inches long, it looks like. You can see. Here's the first screw. And the second screw, like I said, I'm not going to remove it. I'm just going to leave it there. And just to show you, I have these little piece of plastic that I had previously put in as like a little shim. So I'm going to leave this top one in place because I want that to be up a little bit, about 1/4 inch, maybe like 1/8 of an inch up off of the frame. So now we need to go ahead and drill a hole down at the bottom of this. I'm going to get my pencil and measure this out where this is going to be. And let's see how it's going to look. Okay, I feel good about that. It's just going to be low enough where it will latch on. So here we go. I'm going to start with the 5/64 bit. Start small and go bigger as needed. Got plenty of battery, so I'm all good to go. Hopefully that's a closer look for you. Okay, and I'm going to go up a little bit bigger. Alright, this is 3/32, just a little bit bigger. Alright, and this is, alright, now this bit is 7/64, and that matches the screw I have. Alright. Now let's see. So I want to put this washer. So the issue I have is actually that this other screw is actually not flush. So I'm going to see if I can hammer that in a little bit so it's a little bit more flush. Be right back. Alright, so I got a chisel and a little mallet hammer just so I can try to level this out, because right now it's sticking out and it's not going to be flush for my plastic shim. Alright, so now that's a lot more flush. Let's do a little bit more. Alright, so that's better. My other shim fell out the top. That's okay. We're going to put the shim in place here at the top. I'm going to get this screw somewhat in place so I can not have to hold it. Okay, now you got to get this where it needs to be, this plastic shim. Okay, so let me go ahead and screw the screw in some more. I have resistance, which is good, which means this screw will be firmly in place. I'm going to go ahead and get this one. I'm going to go and get the top screw a little bit tighter. And now we can finish at the bottom. Now the shim isn't exactly where I want it. So that's better. Now we got it up a little bit. Hopefully, let me see if I can get a better shot here. So I got the shim right there, and now, so I got the shim in place here, the shim in place there. This screw is somewhat snug, and I got to finish this one. Alright, got my impact drill. This should give me some more oomph and power that I need. Alright, let's go ahead and try to lock this, see what it does. I don't want to get it too tight. It's perfect, so now it works. It's secure. Alright, here's a close-up shot. So I lowered it that much. So just to show you where it is, where it lines up. It's hitting the top, but but you see it has this hook. It's actually gonna hook underneath it, which is what I want. So you go, and it's secured. So I'm happy with that. That was a success, and I hope that you found that helpful. Gliding slot doors, the locks and the anchors, it's all the brackets that they have, all very similar, and that they, you have one that's attached to the frame, and then the part that is the actual hardware on the handle. So the actual latch part. So you have to make sure it lines up. You have to kind of measure it out, play with it a little bit, make some adjustments. This door had been locking for a full year, then it just stopped all of a sudden. So I was glad I was able to fix it, and appreciate y'all watching. And if you have any questions, suggestions of any videos, let me know. Comment below. As always, I am a handyman for the average man. Take care. Bye.